Good day to you, fellow sewers and tailors out there. Now, if you're like me, you love sewing, because I really do love it. I've been sewing and tailoring for a long time now, and I still get the buzz when I create a garment. I really love what I do. Now, if you're not familiar of who I am, I'm Michael Coates and I own a website called thesewingguru.com. And recently another website called thecraftingguru.com. But this is all about the Sewing Guru, and what that does is it teaches you how to create garments from scratch. And we deal from the beginner all the way through to the high-end professional and everybody there in between. And it really works because it's all video based, just like YouTube. It's all video based and we cover every step. So you can't go wrong. And like I say, it really works. It really does. Now, because I have now reached 22,000 subscribers, I'm really proud of that, and I've got to thank all of you to helping me to reach that point. Because without you, I wouldn't have got there. And 22,000 subscribers is a pretty good milestone, really. I mean, okay, there's other YouTube channels with huge amount of subscribers, millions and millions. I'm nowhere near that, but 22,000, yeah, I'm proud of that, and I'm really pleased. And I feel like I've got like this sewing community, sewing family. So because of that, I just want to thank you all so much. And also as well, all to you new people watching, please subscribe and welcome to my sewing channel. Now, what I'm doing is I'm giving away 3 ebooks, completely free. And these are sewing tips of like scissors and threads and various things like that. It's just sewing tips that I've picked up throughout my life of sewing and tailoring, and we're just giving away 3 free ebooks. And all you need to do is go to the link below this video. It's in the description. There's a link there. Take you to the website, go to the contact us form, put your email in. That's all we're asking, just your email, put your name in, and then you will be taken to another page where you will get your free ebooks. Doesn't cost any money, it's totally free. It's just something I just want to give back, just to say thank you to you all for subscribing and supporting me over the years. So, happy sewing, keep on sewing, because it's practice, it's all it is, practice, and have a good day. Thanks for watching, YouTubers. See you again soon. Bye for now.